If your Epson L14150 printer shows the error, Maintenance Box End of Service Life, don't worry. In this video from Device Doctor, I'll show you how to easily reset it and get your printer working again. Stay with me till the end.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, the printer is turned on and the maintenance error appears. Now, turn off the printer and unplug the power cable. Turn the printer upside down to access the maintenance box. Open the cover of the box. Now remove the maintenance box. Now take note of the code or model of the box, which in this printer is T04D1. Now you will need a chip resetter or a new chip to clear the printer's memory. Now, connect the Type-C cable to the resetter to turn it on. Now, carefully and correctly connect the pins of the resetter to the chip box and hold them connected for a few seconds until the light turns green. Now place the printer box back into its slot. Now, connect the power cable to the printer and turn it on. Now you can see that the printer error has been successfully resolved and the device is ready to work. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments and we'll be happy to assist you. Stay tuned for more helpful content and take care.